Arr, you scurvy landlubbers. Today I'm making Crabby Patties.
It's Cooking with John.
Not gonna lie to you. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never made these before. So I'm gonna give it a shot. First I'm gonna cut up some of this imitation scurvy crab meat. Imitation. That's all I got. I can't even see what I'm doing. I covered up me good eye. And I'm blind in one eye and I can't hear out the other one. You know what I meant. Alright. I chopped it up. I'm gonna throw it in the bowl. Next, I'm gonna throw in a chicken egg. Heck with them seagull eggs. They taste like fish. Okay. I'm gonna throw in some mustard. See what that does. A little bit of that. I don't have no Worcestershire sauce. I'll throw in some soy sauce. Little soy sauce. That'll work. That should do nicely. What else? Let's put in some pepper. Let's try a little bit of grated Parmesan Romano cheese. Some of that in. I don't want to overdo it. That should do all right. Let's put in some oatmeal. Just a little more. That'll do it. Let's put in sunflower seeds. See what that does. Try some of those. That'll do it right there. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, we'll mix up this scurvy mess and see what kind of a concoction we've come up with. Maybe I should have cut it up a little better. That's what you get when you're half blind. That's a pirate joke. Hey, I got a pirate joke for you. How much does pirate corn cost? You give up? A buccaneer. A buccaneer, get it? There's a new pirate movie out. It's rated R. Okay, I think these might be ready to put on the stove. Gonna cook them up. Okay, I made 2 big Crabby Patties, and I'm cooking them in some oil. Just want them to be able to move a little bit. There we go. That's nice. I could have made 3, but I'm on a diet and I can't eat 3 of them. I flipped them over, just in time too. They almost burned. Well, they're ready. Time to plate them up. Oh, they look marvelous. I'll wash the pan later. Don't they look delicious? But seems like there's something missing. I want it to look fancy. Let me check the galley. A celery stick. Now that's gourmet. I didn't put no mayonnaise in the Crabby Patties because I want to put it on top. But first, I want to put a little bit of hot sauce. That keeps your metabolism going. When you're out on the high seas, you need your metabolism going. I'll put some of this on there. That looks so good. Looks like a fresh wound. Are you ready? Ah, that's good. That's a patty that SpongeBob would be proud of. I crack me up. Hey, get out of me, galley. I only eat in peace. Thanks for watching. Bye. Go on, bye.